This is my bike check. I have a 2006 GT Proformer with the GT forks in the front. I have the pegs. They are Black Ops. They're plastic pegs. We got the Federal Conquest grips and glow in the dark with matching bar ends. The Harl handlebars, not sure what the rise is and stuff. Harl stem. Moving to the crank, I have just a Harl 3-piece crank with Harl aluminum pedals. Odyssey 29 or 39 tooth, I don't know what it is. A gold half-track chain and a stolen pivotal seat in glow in the dark. And then just my dice bow stem caps and the stock Harl rims and some stock Harl treads. That's pretty much it. That's my bike check. Yeah.